Beattie. I'm General Manager at Pyrotec PackMedia, based in Cape Town, South Africa. We manufacture leaflet labels and other types of multi-page labels, also digital labels in roll format. We concentrate on certain industries such as pharmaceutical, agrochemical, animal health, infant formula, and personal health care. I'm here today to try and briefly explain about our leaflet labels and why would manufacturers be interested in leaflet labels supplied by us in roll format. Well, the main advantage is being compliant with regulatory requirements and enabling you to use automatic machine application on your packaging lines. That can enable you to produce at speed and supply your customers' demands and help you grow your business. As I mentioned, we supply the labels in roll format. Our Pyrotec PackMedia division can assist with automatic label application and also coding equipment. There's a variety of possible formats for our leaflet labels. The folded leaflet with the extra information is integrated with the base label. It can cover one panel or two or even three panels of product. Our leaflet labels can be easily opened and the pages fold out with lots of space for additional information. It's possible to close it again. Our leaflet labels can also be laminated, especially for the agrochemical market or animal health market, for protection against spillages and moisture. Please contact us at sales@pyrotec.co.za and we will be very glad to assist you.